Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and show you these cabinet door magnets. These things are awesome. So they are really strong magnets, and let's open up the box together. We'll kind of look what's inside and then I'll show you how it works. So like I said, really strong magnets. So just from me playing around with them for just a second, I am actually pretty impressed. So I'll kind of show you, give you guys a rundown of what's inside the box and what you can expect when you get these. All right, you guys, so when you open it up, this is what we've got. We've got our 5 different magnets, and then here are the sticky portions that we're actually gonna stick to both sides of the magnet, and then we're gonna stick the magnet to the door or the drawer or whatever it is that you're wanting to stay magneted shut. So let me go ahead and I will show you how this works. I am super excited about these. I am a mom to little kids, and there are just some drawers that I don't want to get opened all the time. So this is gonna be the perfect solution, and I am actually so impressed with the strength of the magnet. So come with me and we're gonna put these on one of my drawers. All right, you guys, so here's what it looks like. There's the 2 pieces of the magnet. There is the sticky portion. You're gonna put a sticky portion on each side of the magnet. One side of the magnet is gonna go on the drawer, and one side of the magnet is gonna go on the base of wherever you're wanting it to magnet to. So you'll kind of see right here, I have now put one side on. I'm putting the other sticky side on, and we've got our magnet ready right here. So there's the 2 sides of it. Each edge has a sticky portion. Here it is in action, guys. I am super impressed. 10 out of 10 recommend if you've got little kids or drawers that you want to keep closed. Make sure you check it out.